hair, and I was like, oh, let me vlog. I don't know, every time I cut on the camera, I have to like scratch my head. I don't know if it's like my head is not itching, so I don't know, weird. But I'm doing laundry, and I just finished washing Alayna's old car seat. Well, I didn't just finished drying it, the cover. Well, it finished air drying, and I just finished putting it back together, the other car seat. So now this is now Aaliyah's car seat. Yes, Avery. Yes. So here's her new car seat. It's the Graco Extend to Fit. You see it here. There's Alayna. Say hi, mommy. This car seat was like, I want to say either like $250 or $350 when we got it, because we got this when it came out, the Extend to Fit line. Keep that in mind as to why we didn't purchase just Aaliyah a brand new car seat. Have to still put it back in the car, and you're fine. And to make sure she's all well and it's all leveled out and all that. But we got Alayna a new car seat. It just made more sense. We got her this from Walmart. It's the Graco Knotless 65 3-in-1 harness booster car seat. So it looks like this. There we go. So this is what it looks like. It says from 22 to 65 pounds. Alayna is about 30 pounds. 32. I don't remember. She lost some weight. And then it goes to a high back booster, which is funny because it says 30 to 100 pounds, which it never makes sense with their weights on these things, because this is forward facing 22 to 65 pounds. So the high back booster, 30 to 100 pounds. But I thought this was up until 65 pounds. So I'm confused. So do you go up until 65 and then go to a high back booster once they're over 65 pounds? Is that what that means? And then, yeah. And then, I don't know, because then it has the backless booster, which is 40 to 100 pounds. Whatever. Guess we don't have to think that far right now. But I'm gonna open it and show you guys the car seats. So I think I got it, but now like parts of the bottom are detached from I don't know where. Hold on, guys. What are you doing?
Go pick up Daddy.
Is that yours?
I just put Mousy.
Go ahead, Mommy. Sit down. Sit down. Go ahead. Sit down, Mommy. Ooh. Huh, baby? You like it, Mommy? Huh, baby? Do you like that car seat? Maybe no more crying in the car now? Yeah? I had to lift this up like an inch because the straps were like behind her back, so yeah, it's good now. You like it, baby? Alright, so here is the one that we got for Alayna. And this was, I don't even know if I ever said the price. This was $149 from Walmart. So, really good deal. And there was no tax on it. Don't know why, but I ain't complaining. So if we would have gotten a new car seat like this, it definitely would have been more than $149, which is why we opted to just get something like this for Alayna and give Aleyna's old one. Look at all the chicken that Aaliyah didn't eat. What happened? You still crying? You're not supposed to be crying in a new car seat. No, no crying. You want to get out? Because you're buckled? Or you want to do it yourself? Anyway, but it only has one cup holder, which I wish it had two, just because she likes bringing stuff, but they do have like these little pockets right here, so maybe she can hold her stuff in there. So maybe that'll, they have it on both sides. I don't know if that's what it's meant to be for or what. Also like the fact that it still has these things on the kids' car seats. I don't know where they went. Oh, sorry. These little things came out from somewhere. I don't know from where. I do not know where they go, so I gotta figure that out, because on both sides this one's out as well. And then the back, it comes with this latch part, and then it also has like the seatbelt one that you latch it onto the seat itself. Has that, and this goes like behind, this one goes behind the seat. So far so good. I guess we'll see when I set it up in the car how sturdy it is and all that. It looks good. It's definitely not as cushiony as like the other seats, but I mean it's definitely not like cheap either. The back of the car seat back here is like Velcro, so I don't know how that's gonna be. I don't know how that's gonna like hold up, especially when you take the seat off to wash it. Yeah, so other than that, I'm not really feeling the Velcro. I would much rather it have like the straps that the other seats have, but whatevs, it is what it is. So Babe actually has a car right now. He's at work, so maybe I should read the instructions, or maybe I should have read the instructions. Probably would have been a lot easier. Always read the instructions, guys. Let me get these kids down for a nap before Mommy loses her cool. What? Read this instruction manual. Do not install or use this child resistant until you read and understand the instructions in this manual. It's a good thing I haven't used it yet. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. This girl climbs on the couch now.
Yeah, I was sit on the couch.
Get down. No. No. If I'm not on the couch, you cannot be on the couch. No, no. Hey guys. Good morning. I'm pretty sure it's morning time, but I just got back from Ulta. I totally forgot to film myself, but what else is new? I wanted to get my brow wiz, which I got two. I always get two, but this time I got one in dark brown. So chocolate is like my regular color that I normally get, and then I got a dark brown one just to see the difference. And then I also got some lashes because I needed new lashes. So I got these Demi Wispies, the Studio Effects ones. These were, so they were buy one, get one half off. So they just look like this. And then I got these. These were $4.99. And they are the 100% natural. The 160. Really nice. And then I got the, I think this is the Demi Wispy 113s, I think. Maybe not. Maybe they're just 113s, but I like them. They look dramatic enough, and they were it's a 2-pack. So yeah, that's all that I got from Ulta. I'm trying to freaking close this thing, but I'm gonna actually bring the girls car seats out. I'm gonna clean the back seat. Maybe I'll just bring all the kids outside so they can play, and we can clean out the car because it definitely needs to be cleaned out. And we're gonna have to put Aaliyah on this side because Babe is 6'4" and he has to put the seat all the way back in order for him to drive. And if Aaliyah's car seat is now rear facing with the, you know, the big convertible car seat, he's not gonna be able to put it back as far as he could. We're gonna do stuff. We're probably gonna come outside and do that and clean up the car. And yeah, so I guess I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I also got a package here from my mom, which I didn't speak to her this week, so I have no idea what it is. I'm thinking it's just like stuff for the kids for Easter. So, and I also picked up my mail. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back in the car. It is like hours later, like hours. It's 4 o'clock. And I'm actually at Ross because next weekend I'm going out with my best friend for her birthday. She's doing like a bar hopping type of thing in St. Pete. So I need to find something to wear, number one. And number two, I wanted to get like a new cross bag so that I can have my wallet fit in something like not as big as this, but something that still fits my wallet. So we shall see if I find anything in Ross. Across is like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so if I don't find anything, I can just go over there. The kids are with Babe at home. They are all sleeping, including Babe, which is why I left, because Babe's like, oh, let's watch a show, one of the shows that we watch together, and he falls asleep. And then I woke him up, and I'm like, if you fall asleep again, I'm leaving, because you're the one who said let's watch, you know, the show. And he fell asleep again, so I left. After I leave here, I need to get the car washed because we didn't get a chance to do it earlier. But we vacuumed inside the car. Oh my god, it was filthy. And we also cleaned off the seats and stuff. It looks like Ross is packed. So hopefully I can find something. So I'll talk to you guys in a few. Hey guys. So I am back. Oh my gosh. Ugh. There's so much traffic right now. I just finished doing some damage at Ross. So yeah, I'm actually gonna save the stuff and I'm gonna do a fashion haul. I want to do a try on haul, and I got 3 pair of pants, and I got like 4 or 5 shirts. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because my tripod is super short and I'm 5'7", 5'8". I don't even know how tall I am, but yeah, so I'm gonna hold off. And plus I also want to go to another store. I want to go to Rue 21. That's where I want to go. And I want to, yeah, I like Rue 21 shirts. So right now I'm about to go to the car wash, hopefully, because when I went the first time it was packed and I was like, oh no, I'm not waiting in this line. And I feel like guys, this freaking lighting right now, like I feel like I'm on like a HD camera. Like, I mean, like, I don't know, this lighting right now, damn, I should have freaking did my makeup so I could took some pictures, because this lighting though is making me look really nice, really nice. That's a nice. Anyway, yeah, so, and I got 2 bags and a pair of sandals. So I need to get another pair of sandals, and I really want to get another couple of shirts because all of my shirts are so old. So yeah, so I just got to the car wash. There's 4 cars in front of me, and I feel like I'm gonna be like, screw this, I'm not doing the car wash. because it's almost 6. It's 5:45. I need to cook. And yeah, I don't think I'm waiting. Nah, I'm not waiting. Hey guys, currently outside on our patio. Sorry for all the noise. If you hear mowing, of course they're mowing today. The kids are inside sleeping and I didn't want to wake them up with my voice. I wanted to hop on here quickly and announce the winner for my $50 gift card giveaway. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, who liked my picture, who commented down below on that video. Thank you guys so much for your support and hopefully for your continued support. But anyway, the winner of the $50 gift card giveaway is Kita and Crew. Congratulations. Thank you so much, girl, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for being a pretty much long time subscriber. Also, thank you for following me on Instagram. I know I've seen you like my pictures here and there, so thank you so much. I will be I'm gonna message you to see about your information, so be on the lookout for that today. Again, thank you to everyone else, and my next giveaway will be at, I don't know, 1,000 subscribers, hopefully. Yes, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this week's vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.